Welcome back to Mike's Yoga channel and welcome to the simple 5-minute morning yoga flow. When you're ready, roll your mat, grab some water, and let's get started. Okay everyone, so let's begin coming into an extended child's pose. So let's bring our knees as wide as the mat, letting the big toes touch behind you. From here, just walk your hands out long in front of you, letting your forehead rest in the mat. In this pose, we're really breathing into the back body as well as the shoulders. And option to stay here, or if you like, we can walk our hands just off the left of our mat. So by doing this, you will feel a nice stretch on the right side. And then if you are on the left, let's walk it off to the right. And on your next exhale, let's bring it back to center. From here, shift forward. We'll come into a high cobra. So stacking the hands right underneath the shoulders, extending the legs along behind you, keeping your core slightly engaged. Just push yourself up, really opening up the chest, opening up the heart. Exhale, shift it back. We'll come into all fours. So let's stack the hands right underneath the shoulders, stacking the knees right underneath the hips. Tops of the feet are pushing into the mat. And let's keep our fingers spread wide and almost pretend like you're opening up a pickle jar. So you should feel an engagement in your triceps. Once we have this foundation, let's do a few rounds of cat-cow. So on your next inhale, drop the belly, open the chest. Exhale, rounding the spine. Inhale, drop the belly, open the chest. Exhale, rounding the spine. Inhale, drop the belly, open the chest. Exhale, round. From here, let's come back to center. And now from here, let's extend our right leg out long and simply just rock up and down, really breathing into the back of this right leg, breathing into the ankle as well. And now from here, let's step that right foot over our left leg, look back over our left shoulder at our right foot. Take a breath here. Exhale, come back to center, and let's just take that over to the other side, extending our left leg long, just gently, mindfully rocking up and down. Now from here, let's step this left foot over our right, look back over our right shoulder at that left foot, breathe here. Exhale, come back to center. Awesome job, you guys. From here, let's make our way up into a downward facing dog. Feel free to pedal out your feet once you get here. And now from here, we'll kind of move with our breath, just like we did in cat-cow. So let's find a nice neutral position. And then on your next inhale, let's shift it forward, coming into a high plank. Exhale, come back to down dog. Inhale, high plank. Exhale, down dog. Let's do one more. Inhale. Exhale. Awesome job. From here, let's heel toe, walk our feet up right behind our hands. We'll take a Forward fold, bend the knees as much as you like. And now from here on your next inhale, mindfully, slowly start to roll it up. Stacking the spine one vertebrae at a time. Chin is the last to lift. Finally coming into a mountain pose. Awesome job, you guys. From here, let's bring our feet as wide as the mat, bringing the hands together at your hearts. Now from here, sink all the way down, coming into a yogi squat. Try and keep your back as straight as you can here. Awesome stretch for the hips. And on your next exhale, let's release. Let's make our way down onto our bums and extend our legs out long. Keeping the legs together, we'll come into our final pose, which is a seated forward fold. So on your next inhale, let's bring the hands up. Exhale, melt it forward, grabbing onto the toes or the feet if you can. If you can, that's okay. You can just let your hands rest where they naturally fall. Again, we're really breathing into the back of the legs here. And on your next exhale, mindfully release, roll it back up. From here, make your way into a seated position of your choice, or feel free to lie on your back, taking a Shavasana. Wherever you are, let's bring our hands together at our heart. Thank you all so much for sharing your time and your energy with me today. If you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe. From here, let's bring our hands up to our third eye. The light in me honors the light in all of you. Hope you all have amazing days. Thank you so much. Namaste.